Say hello to the Genshin Impact version of the OnePlus 12R. Now, I've already reviewed the 12R. You can see that video on my channel, but this is a special edition with all sorts of cool stuff and a special looking model of the OnePlus 12R, of course in purple, which is great. Yeah, let's take a look at it instead of my face. Here we have it, the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact model. This is really cool. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box so you can see what it looks like. You're supposed to open it from right here. So take that, take all this stuff off of here, and then we get this box. So very nice art done here, nice OnePlus logo here, Genshin Impact logo there, some really nice art design stuff. Now let's go ahead and take the top off, and voila. So as you see in here, we have the phone. We have a character pin, so you can put this on something, wear it around on your shirt, your little vest, whatever you want to do with it. If you're a Genshin Impact fan, then this is something that's really neat that you can add to your accessory collection. The most important thing in the box, the OnePlus 12R. Take that off, and then like this is a really sharp looking phone. I like this, the flower, the design, the logo stuff, the badging, and then you've got even the purple here around the camera for the camera face as well. All the way around, solid, beautiful looking phone. Of course, we've already taken a look at the OnePlus 12R, but we didn't get to see it in this magnificent collaboration that we have. So I'm excited about this. Let's see what else is in the box. We're going to lift up the top here. Got more fancy stuff. Wow, this is pretty neat. Okay, so inside of the box we have, it looks like some more accessories. So if you're a Genshin Impact fan, then all this stuff is a must-have, I think. There we go. Alright, finally got it. Now what we have here is pins. So we have a pin collection. So all these different character pins that you have here as well. Let's see if this pops out. And then it has little backings as well. So you got little safety backings. The other one fell out because I punched it through. Anyway, I'll get that later. But anyway, so you have all these character pins. All sorts of different designs and settings here. So that's something that's neat as well for your collection, which of course I'm sure is important to you. And this is neat too, a little plastic character. And it has a base that goes along with it as well, so that's pretty neat. Very cool. Oh, that's what goes with this. There we go. More decorative stuff. This is what goes with the taller one. There we go. So you've got character stand-up accessories for your desk, so that's really nice too. What else do we have in here? But wait, there's more. We have the little K-King name. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that properly. And we have looks like a dedicated case, which is really nice as well. Ooh, this is fancy. Man, look at this. Look at this SIM ejector tool. This is really nice. You even get a custom SIM ejector tool. That's sweet. Got your documentation here, safety guide, quick start, letter to the traveler. So this tells you what all of the different contents are inside the box, how to assemble things, the packing. That's really neat. Pretty cool stuff there. And here we have the case. K-King. We'll put this on the phone, see what it looks like on the phone. Man, that is nice. I like this a lot. Of course, y'all know I like the color purple, so this is like the perfect phone for me. Really nice case too. It's like a nice hard shell. Got protection on the sides. Really built well, and it looks great with the phone. And then let's see what's inside of here. It's like the last of the goodies. Alright, now this is cool. So basically what this is like a 3D kind of setup so you can put together some of these things. and you can set up your character inside of here, like voila. So this doesn't exactly pan out the way that you would want it to right here, but anyway, that's really neat that you have the ability to do that. Kind of set this up as like a little display for your character, set it up on your desk, wherever you want to put it. So that's really neat. Man, there's a ton of stuff that comes with this, all in this big box. But yeah, I'm excited about this. And also in the box, you have a color-coordinated charging cable, and you have your Super VOOC charger here as well that you can recharge quick, fast, in a hurry. 100-watt charger. That's really cool. I mean, everything's labeled, everything's matched, everything looks top-notch. And like I said, great things about the phone. You got the 6.78-inch display, 120 hertz, Snapdragon 8 Generation 2. So this is perfect for gaming, and it has last year's chip, which is perfectly fine because the Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 is a beast of a chipset. And Android 14, Oxygen OS, dual stereo speakers, and a 5500 milliamp battery, which is going to keep you in the fight, playing and doing what you love on this phone for a really long time. So super awesome stuff. Glad to see all these things here included in the box. This is like a super fan's dream if you wanted to get something like this for a phone. Pretty neat. Alright, so that's about it for the unboxing. Taking a look at the special edition OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact phone. This is the electro violet color. Let me go ahead and take the case off of it again. This is such a beautiful looking phone. I wish more companies did these cool collaborations. I like this nice color that it's got on it. It's a solid phone. We've tested it out before. We've taken a look at it, and now we have the special model. You got to see all the stuff on the inside of it. It's a 256 gigabyte storage model. It comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM, so load it out for pretty much whatever you want to do. And it's supposed to be coming to the European and North American market at some point. I don't know exactly when, but when it does, it's supposed to be $649. So you tell me if you think it's worth it. Would you pay the extra money to get this fancy version? Are you a big enough are you a big enough Genshin Impact fan that this is something that would be a motivator for you if you wanted to pick one up? Like, I know the OnePlus 12R is a nice phone, but I think this really kicks it up a notch and takes it in a high gear for somebody who might be interested. I think it's a really good collaboration. We've seen collaborations with other phones before, like Naruto, PUBG, and different things like that, but this is really cool. And man, I love the color. I love the design. Lots of thought put into this for sure. And the design is like next level. So that's all I've got. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you enjoyed getting to see all this crazy stuff in here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions or comments, please, of course, go to the comment section. I'll do my best to get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.